Right, take to see what that plane was. Okay, so as you can see here though, that was Piper PA-28-180 that was. And as you can see, as I've just saw the registration, which as you can see is G-ASEJ, that is. As it almost just flew overhead past me though, but obviously not quite at the right spot though, but it's okay. So as you can see here though, it just took off at its base to Pamporth Airfield at 4:02 p.m. So obviously it was just after 4 o'clock. So as you can see, it's just it took off at Pamporth Airfield at 4:02 p.m. as it was just after 4 o'clock. And as you can see from here, he flew about 16,000 feet. As you can see, it's just flew about 16,000 feet. Goes a plane fighter. There you go. As you can see here though, this is what he's been doing apparently. He's been doing his third pass apparently today, but now this is his fourth pass apparently. As you can see, this time it's just flew past, just almost overhead me by the looks of it, but not quite. So as you can see here though, it's just flying out towards between west coast by the looks of it. But as you can see, it's now using a different route this time apparently, compared to what he did for the third pass and the first pass actually. Obviously because he did the same path actually, which I actually did saw the plane earlier on today while I was actually working in Falmouth today, but which is very strange. But luckily now I only get to see this one today, which is Piper PA-28 that was, as this was G-ASEJ that was. As you can see, that one there I've just seen, going from non-available to non-available. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.